Hello there, it's Jay here from Jay's Vintage Junk, and this is just going to be a quick update on the new studio project. Apologies for no videos recently, but I've actually been working on this basically all over Christmas. Now, some idea what I've been doing. Oops, knocking pieces of wood over. So you can see the chest freezer is now up in my kitchen, which means we go through here. And I've still not got a new door, a new handle on here, but that's on the to-do list. But we have sink installed, washing machine. Now none of these are connected yet because I've still got a flooring to go down, but I'm just basically roughing everything out at the moment. But more importantly than that, than the utility bits, is this is basically going to be my new work area, my new studio area. You can see the S4000 over there. I haven't done anything else with that. I've just put it there. I have made a change. Originally, the whole idea of this room was all my workshop and my desk and everything was going to be on this side over here. But at the last minute, I actually made a change round, and I decided I'd have it on this side, same side as the washing machine. But we have got a huge, nice big desk space here. Again, none of this is fixed down yet. It's still all loose because all this will have to be taken back out while I put the laminate flooring down. I got an absolute bargain on some slightly damaged but usable laminate flooring at B&Q. So we are having a nice brand new laminate flooring going down. And this is going to be my main workbench. These sets of drawers I've rescued from up in the attic. Obviously, these will be further forwards as proper desks, as proper drawers. I've also got some more drawers down in the cellar and down in the shed, which I might bring up and have perhaps those two together, and then another set down one side. I'm not sure yet, but we have loads and loads of space for projects, for working on projects on here. This is what I've not had. Is somewhere like, I mean, this is what, it's 3 foot long by I think 5.5 foot. Oh well, yeah, about 5.5 foot wide, long by about 3 foot deep. So it's a really nice big area to work on. So I've not had anything like that to actually work on. It's brilliant. This is like what I used to have where I used to work as my electronics workbench. I can really get on with some good projects on this. And then we have storage. These top shelves here have been designed to take the banana boxes you get from supermarkets. I like using those for storage, so basically we can fit a load of those all the way across there. And then this next set of shelves down here, I have made that with basically that height there. So I can definitely put things like a Mac Classic, complete with a hard drive unit, will actually fit on them shelves. So projects, bit of display shelving and what have you. And basically on this side down here, it's just going to be loads of shelving going all the way down that I can put my storage boxes on. So you can see ceiling. We're getting there with the ceiling. I've pretty much done most of it now, as you can see. Obviously I've got to do tape and fill on this and then paint it all up. As you can see the insulation, I've been putting the insulation in the ceiling. I've got that bit to do there, but I've got to put a brick back up and cement a brick in there before I can finish that bit off. And then we've got a bit over here. Obviously I've still got some bits to do, some more insulation to go in, some bits to do up there. I've got a little bit of wiring to do up there for some outside lights I want to fit as well. But and then obviously curtains are going to go across here, curtains across this part here, so I can basically shut all that off and I'll have no road noise or anything in here if I want to record. I've got the that project there, like I said, planning to do something very interesting with that, but that'll wait until the rest of this this workspace is actually pretty much done, and then we can crack on with that thing and have a bit of a little bit of a play with it. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for now. This was just a quick update video to say what I've been doing over my Christmas holidays. So hope you enjoyed that update on the project, and hopefully proper videos will be resuming fairly soon. Like I said, I've got on fairly well with this project really over the Christmas period, because I wasn't being minded by anyone else, so I could just, as soon as, when I was feeling up to it, I'd come down here and just do a little bit more on this. All this, by the way, is all recycled materials. Obviously we've got doors. These are old Sapele doors that I got for free. Still got to take the handle off there. These will all be filled in, and this is all going to get painted up so it looks decent. And these obviously need fixing down yet. None of this is fixed yet. It's just in position so I could get a good visual idea what it's all going to look like. But no, we've got old Sapele doors I got for free. That's part of an old pine bed frame I got for free. I got that for firewood actually, but it was far too good wood to use for firewood, so it ended up as part of this. That desk I've had for literally years and years and years. Really interesting thing is that actually came from Sellafield. It actually came from the Sellafield nuclear plant. That before that it was actually military. This has actually got a military designation number underneath it. But and I have tested it and no, it's not radioactive. I did check. But like I said, I've kept this. Rather than chop it up, I've used the rest of that desk to make other things. It's actually made some drawers up in my office. But I didn't want to chop the top up. I always kept the top. And I'm really pleased I have done, because I have been able to use it, and like I said, in here, and it's worked really well. So I'm rambling now, so I'm going to leave it there. I hope you enjoyed this little update on the project. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.